So we're going to talk about the rocker cover, and in particular the plates that get riveted onto the rocker cover. Now here's the rocker cover from the 1098 engine, cleaned up and painted. And here are these alloy or aluminum plates which go on. So one goes here, and then the patent plate goes there. But the way you attach them is with the use of rivets. So this is the type of rivet to use. It is, let's see, it's called rivet semi-tubular or semi-hollow, and I'll give the size below. You can get this from Moss and from other suppliers as well. And let's see, as you might be able to see, it has an indentation at the top making it semi-hollow, and I'm going to try and fit them without ruining the rocker cover. So we'll see how this goes. This, by the way, is the rocker cover from the 948, and these are the old rivets, as you can see. This rocker cover differs from the 1098 because the 948 version has this breather tube here, although I'm pretty sure this must have come from an Austin Healey or something. Anyway, this is the one we're going to use because the breather system on the 1098 is via the tappet chest covers. So I've already punched the first hole for the plate here. I'm just going to drill this hole here. This is a 1/8 inch drill. There we are, the rivet's going to go in like that. And I'm going to attach that one first and then drill the hole for the second one. Put a little piece of tape over there. Does that look centered on the rivet? So, for a first attempt that doesn't look too bad. Okay, first one is on, now we're going to put the second one on, and I assume we read it that way. Let's mark this here. Okay, that looks good. Thank you, Mrs. Clackett. And there we have it. Okay, now we fit the new breather cap. This is the tappet chest cover, which comes with the chimney breather. Now this breather canister was filled with kind of a steel mesh which had completely disintegrated. So I'm going to replace it with a cheap alternative Scotch-Brite pads. These are the copper ones. Stainless steel ones I think will be fine too. But let's see how this works. The difficulty is going to be trying to get it in here. Okay, this is the pressure relief valve spring. And we've got a new copper washer under the end of the acorn nut. Takes a little bit of pressure, push it in and then get the thread started. There we go. Manual doesn't give a torque figure for this, so I'm just going to give it a good old pull. I reckon that'll do it.